Hello everyone, my name is Shivacharan and today I'm going to give a self-evaluation on my project of online shopping system. Coming to the topic, abstract. The online shopping system is Java-based application designed to stimulate an e-commerce platform. The system enables users to browse products and manage a shopping cart and complete purchase with payment integration. It incorporates a login system so you can have multiple users logging it and you can use this system in multiple devices. The application features desktop-based graphical user interface or short for GUI, uh, which was built with Swing, providing interactive and user-friendly environment. Products are displayed for customers to browse and add to their carts. Shopping history and data are managed through file handling for persistence, with scope for integration of databases like SQLite or MySQL for scalable data storage solutions. Mm. The system serves as a practical implementation of core Java concepts for offering foundational features of an online shopping platform with the potential for enhancements such as product recommendations, discount systems, and advanced data storage mechanisms. It is an ideal project for learning Java programming, graphical user interface, or GUI development, and basic file IO operations in a real world context. And there is a declaration certificate. And coming to the online shopping system design overview. This is a total overview of the project, and yeah, the system components are presentation layer, which is graphical user interface or short GUI. uh, the graphical user interface was built with Swing for user interaction. This allows for browsing products, managing the cart, and for checking out. And business logic layer. This handles the core operations like user roles, product management, and cart functionality. And the data layer, which stores the product information and shopping history using file handling. This can be upgraded to a database through SQLite or MySQL, which you can be integrated if you want to. And yeah, coming to the class structure, product represents a product with attributes like ID, name, and price, etc. For different categories of types of products, you can have unique types of products with their individual ID, individual prices, etc., etc. And for the user, coming to the user, base class for all users with attributes like username and password, admin class which manages system operations, and customer which manages the shopping cart. The class of shopping cart class which is used to handle cart items and checkout operations. User class which this is the base class which handles the admin and customer class. The cart classes handles the cart items and the checkout operations. And the online shopping system, which is the main class, which coordinates system activities like user login and the product browsing system, etc. Coming to the workflow, first the login interface. User selects a role, customer and logs in. This is redirected to role specific features. Customer actions, browse the product catalog, and adding products to the cart, and viewing cart and also checkout. Data persistence, shopping history stored in using files. Products can also be stored and retrieved dynamically. And coming to the graphical user interface or GUI structure, uh, which is made using Swing, main window, welcome message, and you can have buttons like for browsing products, viewing cart, and checkout. And the product window, which consists of a list of available products and with an add to cart button, and the cart window, which displays items with cart with options to remove and or check out. The objective is to learn and apply object-oriented programming, for short OOP, utilizing classes to represent key entities like products, users, and shopping carts. Implementing inherent and differentiate user roles such as admin and customer is not been implemented yet, and using polymorphism to enable dynamic behavior based on user roles, and provide shopping core features such as allowing customers to browse products, add items to a cart, and proceed to checkout, enabling admins to manage the product catalog and oversee operations such as for future scope, and enabling data persistence, using file handling to store user shopping history and product data persistently. Optionally integrate we can integrate a database for scalable data management. This is a short scale process, so we didn't need to add a database, but if if you want to, you can add a database for data management. And developing an intuitive surface, we designed this using a Swing based GUI for a desktop application, uh, to ensure a smooth and interactive user experience for customers. And yeah, facilitating real world use case simulation, stimulating an e-commerce platform to understand the development of shopping system. And yeah, exploring and adding advanced features like product recommendation and discount may be possible if we want to. And yeah, encouraging modular and scalable designs, building a flexible architecture that can be extended with additional features like payment integration, web interfaces, and dynamic product management. And yeah, the system's objective is to provide a practical learning point that incorporates essential Java concepts while offering a functional, expandable online shopping experience. And coming to the prerequisites and requirements, to successfully implement an online shopping system, the following prerequisites and requirements are essential. The prerequisites are, which equals to knowledge on skills, the programming skills. We need to be proficient in Java programming, including object-oriented principles such as classes, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, etc., etc., with knowledge of exception handling and file I/O operations. Yeah, we are proficient in it. That's why we are able to do this program. And yeah, graphical user interface development, familiarity with Swing or Java effects for creating desktop-based GUIs or graphical user interfaces. We built this using Swing because we are somewhat familiar with it. And yeah, coming to the file handling, understanding and reading from writing to files for data persistence, and optional database skills. If you want to, if you are proficient in it, you can, if you know database skills, you can add it to, like, basic knowledge of SQL is required to do to integrate the database into the program. You can use experience with databases like SQL, like SQLite or MySQL, which are optional for advanced storage. And problem solving skills, uh, because to design algorithms for managing users, products, and orders, etc. Coming to system requirements, we need a JDK versionator about to run this program, or an IDEs like IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or NetBeans. You can, if you want an database, SQLite, which is lighter and embedded database for small scale projects, or MySQL for scalable and multi-user data management. The hardware requirements are a dual core processor or higher, uh, a memory, random access memory of minimum of 4 GB, at least 500 MB of free storage space for project files, database, and logs. An operating system which is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, etc. Coming to the functional requirements, core functionalities like user registration and login, product browsing and card management, checkout process with total price calculation. Yeah, we done it in the program. And yeah, admin features like managing product catalog, which can be done. Can add new products, update products, or change the prices in the program. And yeah, customer features are adding items to the cart, viewing shopping cart details, and placing orders. And the persistence, store shopping history using and product data using file IO operations, file handling, and our databases if you want to. The optional requirements are advanced features such as product recommendations based on user activity or purchase history, discount system for special promotions or bulk purchases, web interface. You can transition from a desktop-based UI interface to a uh, on web application using JSP or servlets. Payment integration, stimulating or integrating payment gateways for realistic functionality if you want to. The technologies used in the system are programming language is Java. This is the main language used to develop the system. This supports object-oriented features and graphical user interface development. GUI development, Swing was used to do this. This was used to create the desktop interface with buttons, tables, and windows. This provides a simple interactive user experience. If you are provisioned with JavaFX, you can use it too because it's a good alternative for Swing, and it is a modern and visually appealing interface than Swing. Data storage. We use file handling to do this. It is used to save and retrieve product details and shopping history. If you are provisioned the databases, you can use SQLite, which is a lightweight database for small systems, and or MySQL, which is for larger multi-user applications. And the development tools for JDK, Java Development Kit, which should be minimum version 8 or above to run the program, and an IDE. Or you can use tools like Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, or NetBeans to write and manage the code. Optional web technologies, if you want to use, you may use JSP or servlets to create a web-based version of the system. If you want to, you can add payment gateway integration, which can use it to simulate or integrate payment systems like PayPal, Stripe, or UPI, or UPI of India, or product recommendations like adding algorithms for personalized work selections in the future if you want to. Implementation of online shopping system. Introduction to it. An online shopping system is a software application that allows user to browse, select, and purchase products or services through a digital platform. It replicates the functionality of a traditional shopping experience, providing convenience, efficiency, and access to a wide range of products from anywhere. The system aims to simplify the shopping process by integrating features like product browsing, cart management, and checkout process. Users can create accounts, view shopping history, and make purchases securely, while administrators manage the product catalog and oversee operations. The online shopping system utilizes object oriented principles like inheritance and polymorphism to create modular and extensible components. Data is stored persistently using file handling or databases, enabling the system to retain user information or order history for future references. The system is designed for both customers and administrators. Customers can browse products, add items to a cart, and have complete purchases. Admins can manage the product catalog and ensure smooth operation. The project provides an opportunity to implement core programming concepts in a real world context, offering scope for enhancements like product recommendations, discounts, and payment integration. It serves as a foundation for learning Java programming, GUI development, and data persistence techniques. Key features are user management, customer supports customer role, which is able to browse products, manages managing the cart and placing the orders. This is a secure login route for customers. And yeah, coming to the product management, there's a product catalog which displays products with details like name, price, ID, and admin controls which are able to add, update, or remove products. We have future scope to do this. The shopping cart which is able to add, view, update, or remove items from the cart, uh, and automatically calculates the total cost of the items. Checkout displays an order summary of the total price and saves shopping history for future references. Data storage. File handling is used for data storage, which stores product details and shopping history. If you want to, you can add database support using SQLite or MySQL for scalable storage, and a user and friendly interface which was built using Swing and easy to use desktop GUI. And here's the code. Here we used uh, the Swing swing package, AWT package, and uh, array list and hash maps. First, we created a JFrame and uh, default list models, etc., etc. Here we did the constructor of online shopping system, and here we shown the login screen and giving a frame, and here is the username, password, login, and sign up buttons, and we given the labels here, and the other username and password constructors. And yeah, if the username is invalid, you can get the output as such as this. mm, Here coming to the sign up screen. The username and password are given are saved when you click on the sign up button, and there's a back to login button too. After saving the sign up, you can you get this prompt of sign up successfully. You can successfully now login. After that, I can show the login screen, go to the login screen back again, and you can log in using the username you have given in the sign up screen. And yeah, here we are showing the shopping system screen, which comes after logging in successfully. uh, Here we have set the frames for the products by category, and as we see here, uh, the product list is given. Panels are added using here buttons add to cart buttons and available product buttons, and there's a scroll list for products, categories of products. Coming to the shopping cart, uh, these are given list models and buttons to remove from cart button, I remove from cart button, and etc. This is a frame for selected items to remove from cart, and he has a prompt which comes to selected item for remove if you are not selecting any items. And there's a checkout button too if you want to check out if the cart is empty. This shows the prompt your cart is empty, etc. If you have purchased something, you get the prompt of your purchased, the product name, etc., and you'll get the total price of the products you selected. And this is a product list based by category. You will get like this is the electronics category. The products are initialized here, and this is electronics category, which is diversified into mobiles, laptops, etc. The mobile category consists of these phones, and the laptop category consists of these laptops and etc. These are headphones, these are speakers, these are footwear, these are shirts, pants. Uh, the books which are classified into storybooks and novels, and there are also utility items such as uh, utility items like flashlights. These are utility items, and these are groceries, and these are food items, and these are electronics lists such as TVs and home appliances such as vacuum cleaners, refrigerators, washing machines, etc. Uh, and yeah, you further conclude the code like this. And here is the output. When you run the code, you will get the in, you will get this prompt of GUI. Here you will get a username and password which you can use by signing up. And after signing up, you can go back to login. You will get this one after successfully signing up. The sign up is successful. You can now log in. Coming back to login, you can use the same username and password and logging in. Uh, you will get this prompt. This is the interface, user interface. This is the category box, and this is a product box, and this is a shopping cart. uh, in this category box, you will have different categories of products, and each one with its own unique products, etc. And like here, see footwear, different types of footwear, and utility item, different types of utility items, and pants, different types of pants, etc. More products can be added if you want, and you can also get a recommended list by using taking the references from the previous purchase, etc. Mm, yeah, if you're purchasing something, you need to click on the product and clicking the add to cart button, you're adding it to a cart. And such you can select multiple products once at a time. And you can also, if you click on the purchase checkout button, you'll get this prompt, which shows the products you have bought, and also the total price of the products you have bought. And this is the class diagram, which shows like how we build the code, the frame, the category combo boxes, the product list models, the cart list models, the products by categories, which is, hash map, string, array list, etc. The users, which is built by hash map, string. The online shopping system, login screen, sign up screen, shopping system, initializing products, and product list updating. uh, Applications of it. E-commerce platforms uses foundation for building small-scale online stores for various businesses, supports product browsing, cart management, or order placement, provides a desktop interface for customers to shop conveniently without relying on a web browser. Ideal for businesses targeting local customers with limited internet access. Educational process projects serving as a practical learning tools for students and developers to understand Java-oriented programming and file handling and GUI development in Java, demonstrates the implementation of real-life e-commerce concepts. Small and medium enterprises enables SMEs to create cost-effective custom online shopping solutions without complex infrastructure, can be tailored for specific product categories or services. Prototype development acts as a prototype for a larger, more complex online shopping platforms, offers a base system that can be sealed with additional features like payment gateways, web interfaces, and advanced analytics. Personal use can be modified for personal use, such as managing a digital inventory or catalog of specific collections or hobbies. The system has a diverse application, making it suitable for educational, business, and personal purposes while being a stepping stone for larger e-commerce solutions. Coming to the conclusion of the system, the online shopping system Java application provides a complete e-commerce platform with user authentication and graphical user interface built using Swing. Users can log in, sign up, browse products by category, and add them to the shopping cart. A simple checkout process allows user to view the total price and confirm their purchase. The system supports basic user authentication with a hash map for storing usernames and passwords, and product categories like electronics, clothing, books, groceries are displayed in JList after selecting a category from a JCombo box. GUI is composed of Swing components such as JFrame, JPanel, JLabel, JTextField, JPassword field, and JButton to create a user-friendly interface. Basic error handling is in place, ensuring that the user cannot add any empty cart or enter any incorrect login credentials. The application is easily extendable with room for future features like more robust user management system, payment gateway integration, detailed product pages with ratings and reviews. Improvements could also focus on enhancing security, adding search and filter options, and providing a more advanced shopping experience. The project lays as a groundwork for more sophisticated e-commerce platform. And thank you for listening to the project.